Sell more with these content writing tips. Exceptional content is the key component in the transmission of your message, generating traffic, and selling your product or service. However, there are several other elements that will make your content more effective with your readers and prompt them to take whatever action that you'd like them to. Number 1, be mindful of your readers instead of the search engines. So many blog writers focus on creating content for search engine optimization, and they fail to realize that it is all about the reader rather than Google. People crave quality content that helps them in solving a problem, providing them essential information, or giving them entertainment. It is critical that the reader is the priority in the creation of your content. This will enable you to hold their attention and lead them to make a purchase. Number 2, your readers are more important than your program objectives. A portion of what adds fuel to the social media fire is that people want to know how to make money from these platforms. Internet marketers clamor to find out what content to put on Facebook or which tweets will be profitable for their business. This approach does not have the reader as the most important component in the formulation and will not add any money to the bottom line. You must determine what your audience wants and decide on the best means to deliver the needed content. It is never about the social media venue, but it is about giving people what they want. Number 3, realize that it is okay for readers to share, download, or embed your content because this generates more traffic to your website and more readers of your content. It will work against you if you think that your content has to remain only on your website. This limits your readership and your profits. Think of your content as spokespersons on a global tour to tell the world about you and lead them to your website and product. Number 4, determine to be prolific by writing 1 article or blog post per week. This quantity will increase as you produce content on a more consistent basis. Create quality content as you monitor what gets a rise out of a large number of your readers. Check what produces the most reader responses. This is a good gauge of what your readers need or want. Number 5, maintain a sense of open-mindedness and flexibility. You may have a plan for what content you will produce for readers or video viewers on a given topic that you've selected for them. However, they may hone in on a subordinate topic in your content. You have to lay down your plan and give the audience what they want. You can always revisit your plan at a later time. What has fired them up now is what will profit you in the present and lead to future sales. For instance, you may have a blog series lined up about how the media operates. Then some celebrity does something deemed insane or some other antics which gets them an inordinate amount of free publicity. Your readers get fired up about how they can get free publicity for their businesses. You have to go with what the reader wants. This will only present a win-win situation for everyone involved. You can bring in experts to interview on a topic that is most interesting to your readers. Give the people what they want. And lastly, in number 6, commit to your blog post to the extent that you give responses to readers' comments and replies. This also holds true for Twitter or any other form of social media. Readers love to interact with the blog or content creator, and your follow-up interaction speaks volumes about you, as does your content. One major thing that it translates to your reader is that you care about them and not just their money. This shows class on your part, and it has the potential of long-term profit for you.